Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how to find the most frequently ordered products for each customer using SQL Server. We'll work with three tables: customers, orders, and products. Let's break down the problem step by step. We have three tables. Customers contains customer details like customer number, first name, postal code, and phone, etc. Customer number is the primary key. Orders stores customer purchases with product numbers, part numbers, shipped quantities, and order dates. There is no primary key in the orders table, and each record represents a sales record. Products includes product details like SKU description, category, and price. Combination of product number and part number uniquely identify the product. Our business goal is to find the most frequently ordered product or products for each customer. Return customer number, first name of the customer, product number, part number, SKU description, category, and count of the orders for each customer. Return the result with customer number in ascending order. The sample of expected output is something like the table. It is important to know most frequently ordered here refers to the number of orders placed, not the total quantity purchased. If we wanted the maximum purchase quantity, we'd have to calculate it differently, which we'll also see later. Let's see the SQL code step by step with highlights. First, in the first common table expression CTE1, we join the three tables together. Customers join with orders by customer number, and orders join with products by product number and part number. This step creates a clean dataset that links every customer with their product purchases. Next, we need to count how many times each product was ordered by each customer. We use a second CTE, CTE2, and apply count with a group by clause. Then, we use dense rank to identify the top product or products per customer. Finally, we filter to keep only the products with the highest rank per customer. When executed, this query returned 247 rows in our dataset. In the result, we can see Scott ordered dog food from the feed category most frequently, with 45 orders. Henry had two equally frequent products, wood pellets and spray paint, both ordered 19 times. Armand had three products tied, each ordered 3 times. This shows that a customer can have more than one most frequently ordered product if the counts are tied. It's important to note, most frequently ordered is based on order count, not quantity purchased. If we wanted to find the product with the maximum purchase quantity, we'd sum the shipped quantity instead of counting orders. Here's the query. Execute the query and it returns 169 rows. Also, we notice that Scott's most frequently ordered product was dog food, but the maximum quantity he purchased was in the paint and sundries category, with 946 items. To summarize, we joined customers, orders, and products. We used count to find the most frequently ordered products. We applied dense rank to handle ties. We distinguished between most frequent orders and maximum purchased quantity. This approach gives powerful insights into customer buying behavior, which is extremely valuable for marketing and inventory planning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.